Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get data changes from the database table and sent to Salesforce in real time. In this video, we have a new feature to enable listening to and capturing data changes in a database in real time using a new agent. Instead of Salesforce CDC, this feature is referred to as Database CDC, with a focus on capturing inserts, updates, and deletes on database tables. The agent captures and streams changes occurring within the database by utilizing the streaming API. The captured data can be processed in Salesforce using the agent database adapter inbound, allowing the execution of various operations configured through an interface. As a prerequisite, you should understand how to enable change data capture in SQL Server, how to configure the database CDC on the interface of the SKYVVA function, how to get data changes from the database table and send them to Salesforce in real time. Now, let's start. First, you should run the SQL Server Agent service. Navigate to SQL Server Configuration Manager. Right-click the SQL Server Agent service and click Properties. Change the Start mode to Automatic and click OK. Then click Start the SQL Server Agent. After running the Agent SQL service, open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Now I'm currently in Master, and we're going to create a database called CDC. So I created a database business_CDC here. And also create a table custom_service. You can use the existing database and table if you have. So then execute to use the business_CDC database, and then go to Enable CDC on the database. After enabling CDC on the database successfully, go to Verify Executing here. If the column is CDC enable equals 1 means the CDC enable is successful on that database. Now I execute to create a new user to access CDC schema and table. In this step, you can use the existing user and allow some specific CDC role permissions to that CDC user. After allow CDC role permission, then I add the CDC_user to the DB_owner role for full access to manage. To note for you, the step to create user access to the CDC schema and table is used for who is allowed to query the changed data in that database. For more details on the role in SQL Server, you can check the link in the description. Then execute View Server State to that user. Then, enable Change Data Capture, CDC, for a specific table here, which means if you have many tables in there, it'll only track changes to the table I specify custom_service table. Then click Execute. After execute enabling successfully, go to Verify it here. If the column is tracked by CDC equals 1 means the table custom service is tracked by CDC successful. So now the configuration related to enabling change data capture in SQL Server is finished. Then we go to the configuration on SKYVVA Integration Cloud. Select the existing integration. On the integration detail and click on the agent control board. Then select the existing connection. Click the button Continue. Click Ping Agent Connection. Click Ping Salesforce Connection. After you ping successfully, you can see the connection is online with the connection destination name. Now, navigate to the Adapter tab. I will show you which adapter I'm using as my example. I'm using a SQL Server database. The adapter using for inbound direction, type Agent Database, and Status Active. Select On-Premise Deployment option, JDBC Protocol, Database type SQL Server, driver at auto-generated, user. Input the user you have allowed permission access CDC in the database or user full permission. Input password. Input public IP address. SQL Server port. Database name. That database enables CDC. Schema name DBO, input server instance. And link the connection destination. Click Save the adapter. Then navigate to Generate Message Type. Go to Metadata Provider. Select the existing metadata and select Repositories. Click on the Import Database Metadata to generate message type. Select On-Premise, Deployment Options, select the connection destination, select the adapter, Object Type Table, and click Retrieve Database. Then select the Table Name Custom Service to generate the message type. If you want to detail this function, you can watch the previous video. After generate successfully, here is the message type. Now, navigate to Integration, click on the Interface tab. I have already created the interface, so proceed to click on the interface details. In the interface, the source name contains account object. Set synchronous processing mode. Link it with the message type we have created. Select inbound direction. For the operation type, I'm using the insert operation, the interface type, event interface, and linking it with the adapter. Scroll down to the Events Configuration section. On the event type, select Database CDC Event. Choose the notification for operation. So this time I show you with Create Notification for Operation, which means insert a record into a table, then get data for inserting into Salesforce 2. After Save the interface, next click on the Open Mapping button. Where I have to map some fields. This function allows you to drag and drop the field you want. In this step, you just drop note to note and field to field you want to send to Salesforce. In the Mapping tool, we have already demonstrated in a previous video. I check the ID field for the external ID. After mapping some fields, click Save the mapping. Then go back to the Agent Control Board.
Click on Interface tab.
On the Interface tab, there is a streaming button on the interface list. Then click Start Streaming API and click OK. It will alert the message Started Streaming API successfully. So this time, go to Insert Record into the table. Navigate to Microsoft SQL Server. I will execute Insert Record here. Before executing that, I select Verify Records in the table first. It has no records in the table. So now I'm going to execute Insert Record. After executing successful, then select Verify Records in the table. Here is the record ID has value 1, account number ID _ 251, full name custom service 21, and some values. After that, go to Verify Message Monitoring, navigate to the Agent Control Board, click on the Message Monitoring tab, and then click the Apply filter. You will observe an agent message monitoring with the comment inbound API call and business message comment insertion of account. Click on the account to verify the data in Salesforce. Now, as you see, the record custom service 21 I'm inserting in the database has been inserted in Salesforce in real time without manually processing or running a scheduler. So this time, I will show you another step of the update operation, the use case related to updating a record in the table, and then also update the record on the Salesforce too. Now, go to Edit the existing interface. Click Edit Interface. Select Update Operation Type. And scroll down to Setting Update Operation on the Notification of Operation field. Then click the Save button. After updated the interface successful, navigate to Microsoft SQL Server. Then I'm going to execute update the record here. Example, I currently update the column city value from London to New York for the record ID equals 1. After executing successful, select Verify Records in the table. Here is the record ID 1. The value of the column city has been updated to New York. Now go to Verify Message Monitoring, and then click Apply Filter. Here is an agent message monitoring with the comment inbound API call and business message comment updation of account. Click on the account to verify the data in Salesforce. Now, as you see, the record I'm updating the column city to New York in the database has been updated in Salesforce in real time. So now, I will show you the final step of the database CDC related to the delete operation. The use case is to delete a record in the table and then also delete the record on the Salesforce. Navigate to edit the existing interface. Click Edit Interface. Select Delete Operation Type. And scroll down to the Setting Delete Operation on the Notification of Operation field. Then click the Save button. After updated the interface already, navigate to Microsoft SQL Server again. I will deleting the record on Custom Service Table. Before delete, I select Verify Record in the table Have One Record. Then I'm execute delete the record here. Example, the record ID equals 1 on the Custom Service Table. After executing successful, verify the records in the table. Here is the record in Custom Service Table. It doesn't have the record ID equals 1, which means that the record has been deleted. Go to Verify Message Monitoring. Here is an agent message monitoring with the comment inbound API call and business message comment deletion of account. Click on the account. Then you see the record has been deleted. So, in this step for that record, I'm deleting it from the database. It has also been deleted in Salesforce. Finally, in this video, we will demonstrate how to enable change data capture in SQL Server, configure it in the SKYVVA function, and capture data such as inserts, updates, and deletes from the database using the Agent Streaming API. This data will be processed in Salesforce in real time by utilizing the Agent Database Adapter inbound. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.